Hey, here we are, Mr.
ladies and gentlemen,
here.
Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math,
Ralph Chandler Middle School. We got to do it fast.
Destiny, but I have to go.
Oh, see you later, Destiny.
Have a good
Awesome.
day.
We had her, what, last year? Was it last year?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome,
Seventh
last
grader
year.
now.
What a great student. I loved having her in class. You want to tell them what you did in class?
I do want to tell
Take
them.
it
Today,
away.
we finished up past testing. We had 3 days of past testing. The kids finished up their science and social studies today in 6th grade. Now, 7th grade has social studies tomorrow, I believe, and 8th grade is done. But in 6th grade, we started talking about our monster project. In math, we're going to be doing a monster project next week, okay? Starting kind of tomorrow, talking a little bit more tomorrow, but next week we're going to do our monster project. And what that is I'm giving them 10 criteria to build a monster. For instance, here's criteria number 1. The head of the monster should be a polygon with sides no longer than 4 centimeters.
Oh.
So can you tell me what a polygon is, Mr.
Polygon is something that has 4 sides.
Well, it can have 4 sides. It's a many-sided figure. It has to be a closed figure and has to have at least 3 sides. Polygon.
3 sides? Oh.
Okay. Well, you know, there's rectangle, there's triangle, there's pentagon, there's hexagon, there's octagon.
Okay. Oh.
All those are polygons because they're many-sided
They're going to make a
figures.
monster that looks like
Whatever they want. But the head has to be a polygon. The left arm of the monster should be a ray 3 inches long, and so on. So they're going to make that, and that's what we're going to be doing next week. Okay?
Oh, very good. Little monsters.
That's going to be great. It's going to be a test grade.
A test grade.
They're also going to write about their monster.
Ooh.
So anyway, what's going on?
Oh, Mr. Esposito, we're doing a little bit something too, Moms. We're doing Moms and Dads, and we do next Tuesday. It's a little assignment. We did a little flower dissection several months ago when we went over plants.
I remember that.
I said, you know what we're going to do this week? A little fun thing to do. The spring's here. We've got the flowers blooming.
Yep.
We've got the grills going. I said, we're going to go home today.
Grills are going.
Just get a piece of paper, fold it just like this into 6 sections, just like this. Find yourself a leaf that is a monocot leaf. Tape it here. Find yourself a leaf that's a dicot leaf. Tape it there with Scotch tape, clear tape, you know.
Yep.
Find a monocot seed. Tape it there.
Yep.
Monocot seeds like a corn kernel. I said, take a piece of corn, a corn kernel, take it right out of a bag of popcorn. Tape it right there.
Oh.
Then you're going to take a monocot seed. What's a monocot seed? Like I just said, corn. What am I going to do for a dicot seed? Well, you've got beans, you've got, as long as nobody's allergic, you know, we went over that there were peanuts.
Oh, yeah.
There's some beans, you got sunflower seeds, all different kinds of seeds. You're going to glue in there. Or tape one there. Then over here, we've got a flower. Remember, flowers from monocot has 3 or multiples of 3 petals. If it's a dicot, it's going to have multiples of 4 or 5, and you're going to tape it right there. And you're done. You can get poster board, you can get a white sheet of paper, anything you want. Monocot one side, dicot the other, set it up in 6 sections, and you're good. And we're going to get a quiz grade, and it's going to be due Tuesday. Okay? A lot of fun. I said you can go home,
That
you ask your
sounds
parents
great.
about that, go in the yard.
Love it.
If they get near a corn at the grocery store, take a piece of the corn out, tape it there. Boom, monocot.
Yeah.
Take a piece of the green leaf, and you'll see the lines. The lines are all going in the same direction if it's a monocot, and you're going to tape that. I don't want to tell you too much. They got to look in their notes. They know what they're looking for, Moms and Dads.
They do. That's great, Mr. Esposito. We have 3 weeks left of school.
3 weeks left.
We got to stay on task. We've got to be remembering that we still have school
We
going
still
on
have
here.
school. Yeah.
But you know what? It's almost summertime. We understand.
Yeah, they know.
Get a little antsy.
But Mr. Esposito,
Keep
like,
them
why
busy.
do we have to do anything? Well, because we still have 2.5 weeks of school. We got a lot to do here. We got a lot to
We've got
cover.
exams coming up, too. We don't want
That's
to really
right,
forget
exams.
everything.
Some people, that's right. We got a lot of exams coming up.
That's right, 3 weeks.
Well, 2 weeks and actually 3 days after tomorrow. And we've got Panther what day coming up next Friday?
Panther Pride Day.
Panther Pride Day. Let's not forget, Mr.
Next Friday.
Esposito. My class is going to be wearing what? Green
And
shirts.
mine,
And y'all
light
gonna be wearing-
blue.
That's so when we're playing team against team, we know, hey, who's on red team, who's on the green team, who's
That's
on the
right.
blue team, okay? So very important, Mr. Esposito. You bring in your green T-shirts, and Mr. Goff,
Light blue.
light blue shirts. Sounds good.
Let's go through the colors real quick.
All right.
We got Goff light blue, Esposito green,
Alvin's
Alvin
got red, Alan's got pink,
Cassiato's got black, Ballinger's got orange,
Richie's got dark blue, and Steve's got purple.
Ms. Irvin's got gray, and Stills, I don't know what she has.
Okay, and we're still
You don't know
we're going to
still.
let you know what she's doing tomorrow.
Maybe yellow.
Okay?
I don't know.
There's so much going on. We'll get you.
Yeah, so you guys, 2 thumbs up.
2
There's not
thumbs
much
up,
going on
Mr.
here.
Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math.
Ralph Chandler Middle School. Yeah.
Stop, Mitchell. Okay, now, let me see. If I push this, I think that's when it starts recording. So, start. Okay, go ahead.
All right, you got this house,
Whoops. There you go.
house right here. This one monster just invaded. He killed the parents.
Oh.
Now, little Susie. Is mad that her parents are gone. And she's coming to hurt the monster. And the monster gets scared and flies away with his jetpack shoes.
Nice jetpack shoes.
Alright. Little Susie, here. Throws a rock at the monster. And hits the monster in the head.
All right, and you're going to continue it with who?
Sam.
All right, Sam. What happens next?
After the rock hits him in the head, he goes into that.
You're angry.
Oh.
So, Bob decides that he wants to kill the monster. So, he gets a gun, I guess.
Oh, hits him in the stomach.
Yeah, mate. That's the wrong belly button.
Nice.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so next, purple blood comes out of him instead of pink. That's red. Instead of red. It goes all over the place. Everywhere. And then a human named Johnson licks it all up.
Yeah.
Lick. See, let's draw some action with you. Okay, then next, this guy gets hit by a truck. A taco truck.
Look at the
What is that? This guy has giant red blood. Like, look how big this is. Then, then we come over to Susan. Susie. And Susie has an idea. She says, kill everyone. Everyone.
Mitchell, switch to someone else.
And so she goes.
Yes, and then she shoots. At Johnson again, and then that's Bob, and then him, and then the monster's still alive. Oh, I think you're not a girl. Hannah.
All right, Hannah, 2 minutes.
Okay. So, everybody's dead except for Susie. And the monster. And the monster. He's not alive technically. It's kind of like crowded.
Yeah.
The bot's name, the robot's name is Ruby. Bob. Poor robot. He feels like an outcast. But then he has a mechanical dog Fido. Fido. Francis. Fido. Francis. Fido. Francis. Fido. Francis. Fido. Francis. Hush, it's recording. Oh, Fido.
The Fido is
Fido. Fido attacks Susie.
Susie shoots the face and Susie's awesome.
Susie starts to scream.
You're right, Susie goes to like a monster robot and she's gonna run with a dog. I don't think so.
Mitchell, stop. Susie grabs a hold of the robot's foot.
Mitchell, no, they got clean up the bed. That was bad.
And hopes to fly away.
Wait, this is going on YouTube.
But Fido forbids her. Fido bites Susie's foot. That seems real weird.
That's it, you guys. It's time to go. So, that's our story.